From everything that was launched at the Apple event, it's Glowtime. We have the iPhone 16 for you. Yes, I'm going to be reviewing the iPhone 16 for you today, and also let you know that if you have the iPhone 12, 13, 14 or 15, should you be upgrading to iPhone 16 or not? Well, before I start with the review of the iPhone 16, let's just take a quick look at the pricing of the iPhone 16 and the variants that it's available in India. Take a look. So as you can see, iPhone 16 pricing is here. 128GB variant is priced at 79,900, 256GB is priced at 89,900, and the top model and the iPhone 16 512GB is priced at 1,09,900. So now that you know the pricing of the iPhone 16 and the variants that's available in India, let's get started with the real review. First up, the design.
So first look at the iPhone 16 and the design seems familiar. Finish and quality are premium, and even though iPhone 16 is an entry-level smartphone, this one just doesn't look so. It's a one-handed device and slides easily in my denim pocket. The shape is flat-edged with aluminium rails. There is a dynamic island as usual. So from outside, iPhone 16 may not look any different from iPhone 15, with just camera island being a pill-shaped one. So notice the vertical camera. The new lens alignment allows the iPhone 16 to shoot stereoscopic spatial videos.
So yes, the overall design is indeed very impressive, and what's more lovely are the colors that you get the iPhone 16 in, and especially the matte finish that you get at the back, and the finish here that's a little shiny just makes it very awesome. Yes, the design wise, if you have the iPhone 15 or 14, maybe you don't need to upgrade to 16 because there's hardly any change, but yes, the iPhone 16 is an impressive design, there is no doubt about it, and the colors, like I told you, are just very attractive and impressive.
iPhone 16 has got the action button, which serves as a shortcut to useful functions and features like enabling ChatGPT or activating a focus mode that limits distractions. It's fun to use and makes it very easy to change your settings. Another main addition is the new camera control button, which lets you quickly access camera functions and features, and Type-C is a good change.
So well, you know that design-wise, usually Apple has been keeping its phones very simple yet classy but attractive, and this time also it's almost the same, but something that's a new addition is the new camera control button. Well, we'll tell you more about it with what functionality it has and how good it is.
However, I have mixed feelings, yes, about the camera control button, which allows you to launch the camera, take photos and adjust some settings. On the right side of the iPhone 16 is the camera control button. Look here, a real button that when fully pressed launches the camera app. It works like a traditional camera. However, the difference between this and a typical camera shutter button is that one on the iPhone 16 is also touch and pressure sensitive, allowing you to push halfway to bring up another set of options, such as zooming or switching between photographic styles and lots more. If you keep your finger on the button and half push twice in quick succession, you'll move to one level in the hierarchy and can swipe to access different commands. Then half push one to enter whatever controls you want, and you're back to swiping. Well, I used it quite a lot when I clicked pictures from this one. Well, when I was clicking my picture, the camera control button wasn't coming handy.
So well, we told you all about the camera control button here, which is indeed very useful here, and it takes just few minutes for you to actually learn how to use it. But some might find it useful, some might find it tiresome, and maybe they just go to the Apple iPhone camera app and operate it from there. Well, that's your choice, but yes, this is something that's a new addition here, and it's very functional and useful, at least for me. Well, not making a big deal out of it, but yes, quite a many Android smartphone at a very budget pricing has 120 Hz of refresh rate, and a premium phone like iPhone 16 not having it, well, not done. Not that the functionality of the phone matters, but yes, it does add on to the experience of using the phone though.
iPhone 16 has 60 Hz, which looks dated. Sure, the 6.1-inch display is bright and colorful. Everything looks just so pretty on this. The iPhone 16 is a fast phone and quite fast than many other there. Yes, even the Android smartphones. So yes, the A18 is faster. Also, it has an edge over older processor when running Apple Intelligent features, which I will highlight in the detail later when they come.
Well, considering that, it does give a boost to the performance of the iPhone 16 if we compare it with the iPhone 14 and 15. Well, does that mean that you should be upgrading to iPhone 16 if you have 14 or 15? Well, I think so, because yes, something like AI, which is Apple Intelligence, is what you're not going to be getting in 14 though. 16, yes, it'll be there, not right away, but very soon. So that will, of course, add on to the experience of using the iPhone 16 for sure. And yes, it runs very, very good and faster as compared to the previous models.
But talking about the Apple AI only, Apple AI is not on the phone right now, which is running iOS 18. That being said, even without Apple Intelligence, the iPhone 16 does come with solid software feature as part of the iOS 18, including customizing your home screen, reorganize your photos, send cash with the tap, store your password, and many others. The main camera still takes 48 megapixel photos and can crop to stimulate 2x optical zoom. The ultrawide camera has been improved and now uses a new sensor that Apple claims captures 2.6 times more light, which means more and better pictures. It is also capable of macro photography. The 48 megapixel main camera in the iPhone 16 captures a lot of detail, and I noticed a slight variance in the tone. One thing that remains constant across iPhones, old or new, is that camera produces images that accurately reflect the scenes, with subject remaining intact. I'm impressed by the iPhone's ability to take great photos in portrait mode as well, and its capability to capture videos. Look at these pictures. Aren't they beautiful? The iPhone 16 features a new ultra-wide camera that can capture more light than the previous one, especially at the night. Additionally, the iPhone 16 introduces a new generation of photographic styles that differ in some notable ways. Look, they act like filters for the iPhone camera, but are applied not after, but before the capture. So this is what we're recording as a spatial video. Right now we're just doing it with the iPhone 16 and yes, trying to test one video that we recorded from the iPhone 16. So this is the video that we're recording from the iPhone 16 and this is from the front camera that I'm recording this video, and you can see the quality and how I look. A test video looks perfect.
So well, if you're coming from iPhone 12 to iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 16 battery is a significant upgrade. There is no doubt about it. Well, the iPhone 16 battery also lasts longer if we compare it with the iPhone 15. So it stays with you for like a whole full day with just one single charge. So that means if you charge your phone once, you don't need to recharge it again, and it will last you one full day with exhaustive usage for whatever you're using it for, and even a little more for the next day to run on.
The iPhone 16 also features 25 watt MagSafe charging with the new MagSafe charger compared to the 15 watt speeds of the original.
Well, now the big question, if you should be buying iPhone 16 or not, well, I gave you ample reasons in this review as to why you should be buying iPhone 16, and one of the most important one is, of course, that this is the most compact iPhone out of the iPhone 16 series. A great fit for people who don't want the Pro series, and of course, the pricing also. Well, again, iPhone 16 remains the most popular model in the iPhone 16 series, and now it's even better. So, go for it.